Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we got Spence back in here with us for his 6th and final adjustment here this week at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. And Spence, tell them how you've done this week, from your very first exam in history and adjustment to now.
Yeah, every day it gets better and better. And the first time relieved 90% of my pain immediately. And then it's just got better, and everything feels like it's gonna stay now that I've
You feel more stable now, right?
Yeah, before you have a little twerks here and cracks still, you know?
Right.
But now it's there, and I feel like I'm good. It's gonna be a long lasting fix.
Yes, sir. It is longer lasting usually.
Yeah, as long as I don't crash and nothing else.
Yeah, as long as you're not your own worst enemy, you're
Right.
gonna be fine.
That's right.
And you already referred your boss in from North Carolina, who's had back surgery already, and he's gonna be coming down to see us too. So thank you for referring your family and friends and coworkers in, because that's the highest compliment anyone can pay us.
That's right.
That's
Well, he
wonderful.
found out I slept 8 hours straight. He
That's
said, make
soul
me an
news.
appointment right here. 2 hours is the most I've slept in 26 years.
Wow. And then you got 8 hours for the second night, right?
My neck. Yeah, the first
night.
8 hours straight.
Man,
Yep.
that's
I put
great.
the ice
And you
on.
slept on your back too,
I
right?
slept straight up with my legs in the pillows.
Good for you.
Lined up perfect.
See, if
Slept
you
all
do the
night.
things I tell you to do, you actually will get well quicker and stay that way longer. Just listen to this man. He knows what he's talking
I
about.
think it kept me lined up
Yeah,
all night long.
and you were in REM sleep the whole night, so
Yeah,
it
I
didn't
was
bother you.
out,
And you
yeah.
woke up with probably less back pain, leg pain.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Let's show him how we
I've
did
no
all that.
pain.
Okay, let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me, please, sir. Wow, take a look at that. I just can't improve on that a whole lot
look at
more.
that.
Just your head coming back just a little bit's the only thing I'm seeing. But let's do this one first, Spence.
All right.
Hey, by the way, you're officially a member of Team Ring Dinger now,
All right. That'll
so
work.
take that home. I'll give you another one to give to your boss.
All right.
You know, even though he hadn't had his yet, he can still put that on his fridge.
Yeah, I told him.
And he can just be jealous of how good you're feeling.
Oh, he's
You're
jealous.
gonna
right
have
now.
a ball when you go home, because he's gonna be hurting and you're gonna be just sprinting around everywhere doing everything.
Yeah. He's sitting in Atlanta right now, just thinking about it. Just thinking about it. Yeah. I sent him those 2 videos, and he watched them, and that's when he called me back. He said, "You're gonna make me an appointment when you go the next time." I said, "I got you, man."
That's cool. That's cool. There we go. All right, Spence. Yes, sir. I didn't give you time to think about that one.
That felt great.
Yes, sir. Yeah, the first one's always a little traumatic, but after that, they feel great. Yes, sir. Boy, oh boy.
That felt
Everything's moving
good.
exactly the way it's supposed to.
Yeah. Feels refreshing.
Plus, you're relaxing for the adjustments too.
Yeah.
That helps a lot.
Put your hands like this.
Yeah, and just breathe, right?
That's it.
Don't think about anything.
Yep. Close your eyes. You don't know what's gonna happen anyway.
That's right. Let's come over here on each other. It's not like I'm broadcasting. Ring dinger, come and get ready.
That's it. That's it. Man, it's changed.
Oh.
Oh, why would you
get the only shot I miss all day.
I know, I thought I wanted.
Oh, and then that she knocked the
Oh,
whole
no, I
thing
knocked
over.
it over. Uh-oh, you have to pick it up for me.
Oh, that's still a little tight right there today. Okay, I'm still gonna adjust your SI joints here. There we go. Perfect. For all you folks out there that think I do the same adjustment on every patient, just know that I do use the same technique on every patient, but Spence's adjustment is different than Renee's, which is different than Brooke Adams, which is different than Melanie's, because everybody has their own musculo-ligamentous tonus that has to be addressed. Everybody has their own unique facet joint alignments. Let's turn you on your back. But the basic anatomy and physiology of a human being is the same, and the biophysics of the human body is the same. So I am adjusting people using the same technique. However, it works better than any other technique that I have ever encountered, which is why I continue to do it. He said, oh, everybody goes, well, he's got herniated disc, he gets the same treatment as the guy with the neck pain and headaches has. Well, that's correct. Because I'm correcting the vertebral subluxation complexes and biomechanics of the human body. There you go. When I pull your leg, it's going to be different than when I'm pulling Spence's here. May look the same, but I use different pressures. You felt that all the way up?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I felt it come out and go back in. That's what I needed.
Reseats it, yeah.
Yeah.
Just like the ring dinger from the other end. You know?
That's right.
It's from the bottom end rather than the top. There we go.
Yeah.
Let me get your elbows first. There we go.
I just love that picture.
And Spence and I got a lot in common too. He likes to go fast racing too.
Yep.
That's what I'll be doing this weekend, driving my vet around.
Man.
Fast
Me too.
everywhere. Yep.
I'm going to the drag strip as soon as
Yep.
the temperature gets over 50.
Yeah, I don't go when it's cold out because I don't get traction. I just burn the tires off.
Right.
Let's come over here.
I can help you with that.
Yeah, I've already got some big old Mickey Thompson tires coming in. Let's have you flex forward and backwards, neutral. Then I want to let some of the air out of too.
That's the trick.
Last time I went racing out there, I couldn't get traction in first, second, or third gear.
Yeah.
Okay, let's have you flex forward and backwards. And normally I'm pretty good off the line, but whenever it's so cold like that, asphalt just eats up your tires and you don't get traction.
You got to get some of those street and strip tires.
That's what I'm
They'll
getting.
hook up.
Mickey Thompson, the big ones.
That's it. MT
Yep.
racer radials.
Yes, sir. That's exactly what I'm
Yeah.
getting.
That's what's on mine.
Yep. And they work good.
Drag radials.
I might be able to do a wheelie.
Not in that Corvette. It's
Yeah.
going to launch.
Get a launch. I like launching too.
Yeah.
I like
Oh
doing
my
wheelies
God.
too.
You'll get some G-force.
Oh yeah, it's got a G meter on it too.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. If you need any training on driving, just let me know.
Oh, I appreciate that offer. I get that offer at least once a
I
week.
bet. All right.
Spence, is there anything, last words you'd like to tell our crack addicts around the world about your experience here?
If you're hurting and you know you've tried everything, you need to come and get this because this will fix you. I'm living proof of it. 30 years of hurting and it's gone. I've been here 3 days and I ain't hurt since the first cracking. That's it.
And we're still cracking.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for sharing your
Yes,
experience
sir.
with everyone, Spence. And
You're
God bless
awesome,
you.
man.
You have a wonderful
God
trip
bless
home.
you, too.
Thank you very
Yeah.
much. And we look forward to seeing your boss. What's his name?
Richard Hamby.
Hey, Richard. We're looking forward to seeing you.
Yep. He's coming.
We'll see y'all. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson at Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.